There are places in the world that don't just exist, they breathe. Switzerland is one of them. A land where mountains rise like ancient guardians, where lakes hold the sky in their reflection, and where silence speaks louder than noise. As you watch these peaks from above, remember this. Life is not a race. It is a climb. And every climb begins with a single, quiet step. Up here, the world feels different. The air is thinner, the noise fades, and the mind finally has space to think again. You start to realize that strength isn't built in moments of comfort. It's shaped in the cold winds, in the long paths, in the days when you keep going even when no one is watching. These mountains have stood for millions of years. Not because they never faced storms, but because they endured them. And so will you. Let this landscape remind you of something important. You don't need to rush your journey. You don't need to compare your pace. Growth takes time. Peace takes patience. And becoming who you're meant to be takes courage. So breathe. Look at the world from above. Feel how small your worries become when you rise higher than them. Your story is still unfolding. Your path is still being carved. And just like these mountains, you are stronger than you think and rising more than you realize.